Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn on how you can speed up your iPhone, since some people be wanting to speed up their iPhone both in performance and every other single way. So in today's video I will be showing you how all that is done, and you will not need a special app or anything, just simple settings. Let's simply start by opening settings. And now that the settings are open, you can see many tools to work with, so simply slide down to the accessibility tool. And now that the accessibility is open, you can so many tools to work with. So to speed up your iPhone, simply come and click on motion. And now that the motion is open, you can now even use more tools to work with for motion. So speed up your iPhone by coming here on reduce motion, and turn this button on. And now as you can see your iPhone's speed has increased due to the reduction of the animations in the app transition. So from now on your iPhone will speed up than it was before. However, if you wish to turn off these options, simply go back and then turn the reduction of motion off. So now as you can see it went back to being normal, so from now on you can manage your transition however you want. So that was today. Thanks for watching, and if you are new, make sure you subscribe.